What if there was a war that shook the world to its core, not just through its military and political implications, but also through its profound impact on culture, society, and individual lives? Welcome to the intricate web of the Vietnam War, a conflict that spanned 2 decades and continues to reverberate through history. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century, in a Vietnam divided by the Geneva Accords of 1954. Birthed from a struggle against French colonial rule, the division of Vietnam into a communist north and a non-communist south set the stage for a conflict of monumental proportions. As the specter of communism loomed large, the United States, guided by its policy of containment, found itself drawn into the vortex of the Vietnam War. What began as advisory support to South Vietnam escalated into an all-out military commitment, with the U.S. determined to prevent the dominoes from falling to communism. But the war was more than a geopolitical chess match. It was a human tragedy, marked by guerrilla warfare, devastating bombings, and the use of chemical agents. The scars of the conflict were not just physical but also psychological, affecting both military personnel and civilians. Beyond the battlefield, the Vietnam War seeped into the cultural fabric. Anti-war protests swept across the globe, and a countercultural movement sprang up, challenging established norms and values. The war became a symbol of resistance, a touchstone for questioning authority. Yet, the legacy of the Vietnam War wasn't confined to the 1960s and 70s. It left a deep and lasting imprint on American society, widening a credibility gap and fostering a profound mistrust in the government. Internationally, the war exacerbated Cold War tensions and left a lasting impact on U.S. foreign policy. In Vietnam, the aftermath of the war posed significant economic, environmental, and health challenges, the scars of which are still visible today. The Vietnam War, with its complexities and contradictions, offers a wealth of lessons. It underscores the importance of understanding local histories and dynamics before embarking on military interventions. It highlights the devastating consequences of prolonged conflicts and the urgent need for diplomatic solutions. As we reflect on this tumultuous period, it's crucial to approach the war's legacy with empathy and a commitment to learning. We must acknowledge the pain, understand diverse perspectives, and foster reconciliation to heal the lingering effects of this conflict. In the Vietnam War, we find not just a dark chapter of history, but also a reservoir of wisdom. It's a stark reminder of the power of diplomacy over conflict, and a testament to the lessons we can draw from the past to build a more peaceful future.